Hello friends. Everyone's always fixated on tricks being big. Let's try the shortest ollie. Take two sticks, put them close together, then ollie between them. I messed around with this, and here's what I learned. You know how you bend down before you pop? You have to land your first ollie with pressure on the board, slightly bend down, which helps you start the second ollie faster. It's like you're intentionally landing hard onto the ground. Some other things are land the first ollie as close to the first stick as possible, and land with your feet already in ollie position. Go as slow as possible, but not too slow, or else you won't clear the first stick. My record was having the sticks be the length of a deck, but I'm curious, what do you think the shortest possible ollie is? Besides the shortest ollie, here's some other clips from the day. I was doing a king of the road with my friends, and my goal for the day was to skate something from my house that wasn't meant to be skated, so I found some old table legs and tried to use them as an obstacle in various ways. Enjoy!
I'll count it. Beautiful.
Ooh. Oh yeah.
I don't know what I got. What I got.
Hit an SK3 combo.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Cut it, cut it.